Scientists warn of solar storm risks that could impact power and internet systems. May 2025's intense solar flares, including X-class flares, caused global radio blackouts, emphasizing the need for preparedness against technological disruptions. A federal emergency drill revealed readiness gaps, questioning our ability to manage major solar activity effectively. A solar storm starts with solar flares. Sudden energy flashes from intense magnetic areas. Magnetic reconnection breaks field lines, releasing energy. Some flares trigger coronal mass ejections, high-speed plasma clouds impacting Earth's magnetosphere and atmosphere, causing geomagnetic storms. Solar flares are categorized by intensity, from A to X. Each class represents a 10-fold energy increase. Thus, X-class flares are 10 times stronger than M-class and 100 times stronger than C-class, significantly impacting solar storm assessments and preparedness strategies. Earth's magnetosphere protects us from solar particles, yet strong geomagnetic disturbances threaten technology. These can disrupt power grids, satellites, GPS, and communications. NOAA warns G5 storms might cause blackouts and auroras in Florida and Texas, impacting modern life significantly. Solar particles impacting Earth's magnetic field generate currents that can overload power grids and damage satellites. Solar flares cause radio blackouts by saturating the ionosphere, absorbing transmissions. Airlines on polar routes may reroute flights due to these disruptions during major solar events.